Alright, what's up? Come back into the box break. Certified materials. I can open it. Alright, 10 packs. 4 hits. Good luck. Got a first hit. Man, that would have been nice if that was autographed. For the Lions, actually I haven't pulled a jersey of his in a while. Number 96 of 99, jersey card of Barry Sanders. Probably one of my favorite players of all time, Barry Sanders. So a nice hit for the Lions. Got a Matt Ryan, numbered to 1,000. Certified potential. It's going to be an all-base pack. Yep. This one feels thick. And it's a big fat decoy. Oh, we were actually missing a card out of that last pack. Got a Brandon Flowers autograph for the Chiefs. Got Brandon Flowers rookie autograph numbered to 899 for the Chiefs. This box better make up for that last box that we pulled. Blue certified. I actually always pull good boxes of this stuff. That last box is probably one of the worst boxes I've ever had. Our mirror blue is TJ Houshmandzadeh for the Bengals, number 31 of 50. LED. Sean Crable, rookie card, number to 1,500. 1,431 of 1,500. Oh man, he's haunting us today, boy. For the Patriots, I actually got a little bit of damage on it. Jumbo jersey number to 599 of Kevin O'Connell. And Dizzle bent a tad at the corner of the jersey window. Let's see, right in there, right there. So bent a little bit there. But Patriots hitting a couple of Kevin O'Connell, 2 packs left. We better get a nice auto patch auto. I'm tired of pulling these friggin' jersey cards. That's all base. Wow. So you gotta be shitting me, right? Fuck me. Nothing. Dane Tomlins to 1,000. So we actually got shorted a hit. We got, yeah, that was lame. Actually, throw that box to the side. I gotta contact them or something. That was a ripoff. Yeah, we didn't get shit. Well, we actually weren't shorted out of the first one. We got 4 hits. We just didn't get a jersey auto or nothing. And we only got 1 auto and 2 jerseys out of that box. We were shorted. Alright, nothing I can do but let them know and see what happens, even though they don't usually do shit. But alright, Bumasuit out.